In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Continue Player prompt feature in VLC Media Player. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up VLC so it can ask or automatically pick up where you left off in a video, saving you time and keeping your viewing experience seamless, whether you're watching movies, lectures, or playlists. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up VLC Media Player on your computer. You can double-click the VLC shortcut or find it in your Applications folder. Whatever's easiest for you. I always recommend starting with a fresh app window, just to avoid any confusion from open files. Now, look towards the top of your VLC window and find the Tools menu. This is where most of VLC's important settings live. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select Preferences. You might be tempted to scroll through all the options, but we're looking specifically for Preferences. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open it instantly. That's a handy trick if you make adjustments often. Once the Preferences window pops up, make sure you're in Simple Mode. That's the default view you'll land on. Simple Mode is designed for most users, keeping settings straightforward without overwhelming you with advanced options. You'll notice a clean layout with easy-to-understand choices. Now, here's where you'll enable the Continue Playback feature. Take your time and look for this option. It may be located under the Interface Settings or General section, depending on your version. Don't worry if you have to glance around for a moment. It's worth finding. When you spot it, you'll notice a drop-down menu with two choices: Ask or Always. Let me break down what those mean so you can decide which suits you best. If you pick Ask, VLC will prompt you each time you open a video you've watched before, asking if you want to continue from where you stopped. This is ideal if you often rewatch content or don't always want to resume instantly. On the other hand, Always will mean VLC remembers your last position and just resumes playback automatically. No prompts needed. Think of it like a bookmark in your favorite novel. It keeps your place, so you never lose track, even if you close the app. To make sure this works smoothly, you'll want to check that the Save Recently Played Items box is also ticked. This allows VLC to keep track of your viewing history and enables that resume feature reliably. If this isn't checked, VLC may not remember previous videos, so don't skip this step. It's like making sure your bookmarks are saved before closing a web browser. Once you've selected your preferred options, go ahead and click Save at the bottom. This confirms your choices and applies them to VLC. It's a small but essential step, kind of like hitting Apply on a customization menu in a game so everything sticks. Now, here's a crucial detail. For these new settings to fully take effect, you'll want to restart VLC Media Player. Just close the application and open it back up. Don't worry, you won't lose any progress or data in your media library. And that's all it takes. You've now set up VLC to prompt you to continue playback or to do it automatically whenever you're ready to jump back in. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have questions or run into any snags. I'm happy to help. And if you want more handy VLC tips or tutorials on other tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your seamless viewing experience.